Good afternoon folks, 21st Century Caveman here. Hope everybody's well, hope everybody's happy. So I've received a couple of packages in the post this morning. It's watch related stuff. I thought I would open them up and just share it with you. I'll reset the camera and I'll get back to you. Right, so I'm actually wearing one of my Seiko diving watches today. And using my trusty opener. This is an open L9 I think actually. Aha. Got paperwork with it. I'm not interested in that. So, what have we got then? Well, that looks rather nice. So this is a genuine leather embossed watch strap. It's an extra long strap. I'll just bring you in. So the lug width is 20mm and it tapers down to 18mm. So that's rather. So this package is from Germany. So, we have another watch strap. This looks quite nice. So this was described as a ruby coloured watch strap, and once again this is extra long. My wrists incidentally are 7 3/4 inches in circumference, so you know they're quite large. And so I was going to get a brown one, and I will at some point almost certainly, but I saw this and it was at a reduced price, and so it's called ruby colour, so it's somewhere between it. It's, I don't know, probably a more burgundy than anything else, so that looks quite nice. We've got another watch strap here, yet another one. Now this is also an embossed genuine leather strap, only this is a shiny one, okay? So that's what that looks like. Got a bit of a glisten to it. And I've also got a few other bits and bobs. I've got some additional spring bars, but also I wanted to tart up the new watch bands, and as a result of that I've actually ordered some stainless steel polished clasps to fix to the straps. Okay, so I'm looking forward to sorting those, sorting those out, putting those on, and it will just give a much more sophisticated, higher end look to the strap and obviously ultimately the watch. Okay, so this is what we've got there. Now you've seen that one already. So as I say, they're all extra long straps, they're all about the same. And there we have a couple of clasps. One's a butterfly clasp and the other one is just normal folding clasp. Sorry. We'll have a look at those in a mo. So obviously got some blue paper on to protect it. Get a shot of that. So these are both polished. Quite nice. So I've got a really quite a nice solid click to them. Yeah, that looks alright. Jeez. And they look almost identical, don't they? But it's not what I ordered. I actually, one of the clasps was a push button clasp, so it looks as if they've sent me two of the same but in different sizes. So why have I bought all of this stuff then? Well, I bought it because I want to pimp up my Seiko Sari 079, this little beauty here. I do absolutely adore this watch. It's such a beautiful watch. In fact, I haven't even worn it yet, to be honest with you. So I bought a clasp, so this will be the smaller one. So I want to put this deployment clasp on this strap. So I've got one to fit that one there. Okay, and this other deployment, it's going to go on one of these larger straps here.